Hi everyone, my name is Kate Hopkins. I am part of the Safer Neath Port Talbot team working for Neath Port Talbot Council. Part of my role is the Business Crime Watch Manager, so we look after the businesses within the town centres here at Neath and Port Talbot. Part of my role is working with the businesses to reduce crime and antisocial behaviour within the town centres. As you can see behind me, there's lots of partner agencies who I work alongside to help promote the safety within the town centres. So if you're part of the scheme, the Business Crime Watch scheme, then you'll have access to a variety of different agencies. We work in partnership, so we work with fire service, we work with the police, CCTV and other agencies to help promote the safety within the town centres. We do monthly walkabouts, going into the shops, speaking with businesses, seeing what their issues are, and hopefully we can work together to tackle the problems. So there are many supports businesses can access throughout the town centre. So as part of the scheme, the Business Watch scheme, we have an app that can be accessed if you're a member. We also have access to a StoreNet radio, which will link you in with CCTV. PCSOs within the town centre will also carry these radios, so if they are out and about in town, they will be able to have links with the police at that time. So if you do need the support, you are able to join the Business Crime Watch scheme. It's an amazing scheme. It's about bringing the community together.